In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails as attachments in Gmail on your computer. This is a really handy feature when you need to share an entire email conversation with someone else without forwarding each individual message. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Gmail by entering mail.google.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're logged in and on your Gmail homepage, you'll need to locate the email or emails you want to send as attachments. Go ahead and click on the checkbox next to each email that you want to select. If you're planning to send multiple emails, you can select more than one by simply checking the boxes next to each email in your inbox list. With your emails selected, the next step is to click on the More button, which is represented by 3 vertical dots located at the top of your email list, just above your selected emails. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. You'll want to choose the Forward as Attachment option from this menu. This is a fairly straightforward option, but do keep in mind that this feature might not be immediately visible depending on the updates from Gmail. If it's not there, ensuring your browser and Gmail app are updated might solve this. After selecting Forward as Attachment, a new window will open automatically, creating a new email draft with your previously selected emails now attached. These will appear as .ml files within the Attachments section of your draft. Now it's just like composing any other email. Go ahead and enter the recipient's email address in the To field. If you need to send it to more than one person, you can simply add additional email addresses separated by commas. It's always a good practice to include a subject line, so type something in the subject field that clearly indicates the purpose of your email. A clear subject helps the recipient know what they're about to read or open. You're now ready to compose your message. In the large text area below the attachments, write any additional information or context that the recipient might need. This can be a personal message, an explanation of why you are sending these emails, or any other relevant details. Once you're done composing, it's a good time to double-check everything, ensure all necessary recipients are included, the subject line is clear, and your message is ready. When you feel everything is in order, go ahead and click the Send button located at the bottom left of the email draft window. And that's it. You've successfully sent emails as attachments in Gmail using your computer. This process is pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it, and it's a fantastic way to share email threads quickly and neatly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other vid.